Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to use AliExpress local pickup option for faster delivery. So now let's get started. First of all, open the AliExpress app on your mobile device or log in using the website. Now once you are on the app, simply scroll down and tap on the product you like. Now once you choose the product, proceed to checkout. Now here at the checkout page, tap on shipping. Again tap on more options. And if available in your area, select local pickup as your shipping method. Now once your order arrives, pick it up directly from the designated location. So that's it. Enjoy faster delivery with local pickup. So this is how to use AliExpress local pickup option for faster delivery. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.